So y'all can watch me make some snickerdoodle cookies. I just need to figure out where the fuck to put this camera. Being straightforward with y'all, you know. That ain't gonna work. That ain't gonna work. Stacy's mom has got it going on. Where the fuck the measuring tip at? Oh, right here. Oh, that's funny. We got that so far. I think we have vanilla. Almond extract. Two sticks, right?
Just get high cholesterol anyways.
What are you doing there, sugar? Oh.
Guys, I forgot what I need.
Oh. Hello? Hello? So, I'm wearing these glasses because I ran out of contacts. I'm not gonna get them. Okay, what? I need to stop talking because obviously all of you cared. Oh. Do you want to go in the microwave? Alright, let's go. Cookies. Okay. Oh, these are very soft. Diabetes, everybody. Ooh. I just freaking spilt vanilla extract all over the table. Ew. Alright. I love these shitty paper towels. They work so well. Alright, that's sexy. Cup of sugar. This is gonna take forever. Oh! Get the mess I made. Just, yeah, because everyone like makes this much of a mess when they're baking. Ooh, don't you just love the feeling of sugar on the bottom of your feet? You know I do. Ooh. Come into my kitchen and get the taste of this spaghetti. Clean any brown sugar. Ooh, pretty. So the whisk was not doing any good, so we gotta switch to the, I don't know what the fuck you call this. Yeah. I'll get this sheet out. Oh. Got plenty of freaking kebab sticks. Carry on. 1, 2, 3. Alright, I about to put the eggs in. Oh. Who the fuck keeps calling me? Oh, this looks like throw up. Oh, this looks like throw up. said ha ha ho. I finished the cookies and they said to put it in the fridge to let it chill out, I guess. And yeah. Oh yeah, beautiful. Some cookie dough on the ground too. So it's a good thing. I literally used like 5 whisks during this. I don't know why. I don't know why I just kept one. Let's get this bread. Wow. Ooh, these are gonna be good. Oh, I love that noise. Ah, just mix with my finger. Let's just make this big. Should I make these balls? I think I just hit the ceiling. Hey, mambo, mambo, Italiana, hey, mambo, mambo, Italiana, hey. Alright, I think these are turning out alright so far. Okay, so we just finished the cook, or we, me, because I'm alone. Yeah, we just, look at those beauties, look at them. Just waiting for the oven to set. Ugh! Oven's still not reheated. Whoa, it sounded like Chewbacca. Oh, ow, oh. Woo! Oh, you get. So apparently during like half this video I look like a freaking Tyrannosaurus Rex. I think they look pretty good, not gonna lie. If you like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I will see you guys later.